everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I want to give you some very simple and inexpensive but super chic summer party ideas. So recently I helped my sister and brother-in-law host a party at their new condo kitchen. This is a kitchen that I helped them renovate a few weeks ago, and I still need to show you guys the full renovation here on my channel, and I promise I will soon, so please make sure to stay tuned for that. But meanwhile, I wanted to share with you this really chic little tiki party that we did for them, kind of as a housewarming party for their new kitchen, and they had some friends over and we did some really simple and fun food for this party, some simple drinks, as well as just some very simple and inexpensive decor. But I think the whole effect was very chic and fun for any summer party, so I thought I would share that with you today so you could get some ideas for your own parties this summer. All right, ready to come along with me on this chic tiki party for summer? Let's go. So the first thing I did was create a couple of hot appetizers with a Hawaiian flair to match the theme of this party. So the first one is some spicy homemade chicken wings with teriyaki sauce. And what I did was I put together a homemade teriyaki sauce. I will leave the recipe for this sauce in the description box below. And then I marinated 2 pounds of chicken wings in the sauce. And then I put them on a cooling rack on a pan to get ready for the oven, because this way they're lifted off the pan and they bake nice and crispy. The second appetizer that I made was some bacon wrapped pineapple. This was so easy and delicious. So you just take a fresh pineapple and chop it into bite-sized pieces, take some bacon and dip it in some brown sugar. And then you wrap the pineapple pieces with the brown sugar and fasten everything together with a toothpick. So I baked both of these in my sister's oven. She has a double oven. So the pineapple bites, you bake them for about 40 minutes at 350 degrees, and the chicken wings, you bake them for 40 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. So while those are baking, I put together a platter, sort of a meat and cheese charcuterie platter. I really love these for parties. I'll leave a link in the description box below and somewhere up in the right-hand corner for a kid's version that I like to do of these charcuterie platters. I wanted to do a more grown-up platter, so I just got a variety of meats and I just arranged them in thirds basically, and then a variety of cheeses as well. You can usually buy cheeses in a variety package at the grocery store, or just choose some of your favorites. I really like buying fancy cheeses for parties because, you know, they're not just your regular cheddar cheese. And then I took a couple of inexpensive plastic gold bowls and I filled them up with some dip. This is just store-bought dip, just a variety of different dips, like some cheesy pepper dip and some Asagio cheese dip. And then I also just put different types of crackers on this cheese board as well. And then I finish it off with some olives and some pickles. And this is a really easy way to put together a cheese platter for a fancy party. And then for the rest of the cold options, I put together just a bowl of nuts, some more cheese and crackers, lots of fresh fruits like pineapples and grapes. And then for the decor, I just kept it really simple and inexpensive. So some faux leaves, tropical style leaves. I also just found some real greenery at Costco and I threw that on the table as well. And some of the platters are just wooden platters I found at Value Village. You might remember my haul a couple months ago, so I used lots of wooden platters from Value Village. I used some cups that I found at Value Village with the rattan sleeves on them, and I put just some tea lights inside for some really inexpensive decor. I think those were only about $1 each. I found that cute little pineapple in the center on Amazon. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. And then once my hot appetizers were ready, I just put the chicken wings in a gold bowl. My sister found this one on clearance at Target, and I love all of the gold accents to this party. I think it just adds lots of sparkle and glam. And then I just put some sesame seeds on top of the chicken wings, as well as some freshly chopped green onion. And then the extra teriyaki sauce I just added some cornstarch to it and cooked it a little bit and then served that on the side. And here's how the bacon wrapped pineapple bites turned out. They were so delicious. And they make for a great hot appetizer along with the teriyaki chicken wings. My sister also made some fresh mango salsa. She just chopped up some mango, tomatoes, peppers, added some spices and herbs along with some simple tortilla chips. And this is how our chic tiki party spread looked after we were finished making all the food. So nothing too complicated, everything is very simple. Here's another Value Village find. I found this sort of leafy tray that I put some gold cutlery in. And I love how everything is nice and casual. Guests can just grab whatever sorts of little bites of food they want. Also added a fresh pineapple in the center of the display just for some more chic tiki flair. Another thing we did was came up with a couple of signature drinks, so a pina colada drink along with a coffee mai tai, and I will leave a link in the description box below to those recipes. They were actually really delicious, and coming up with just a fun little signature cocktail drink for your party is a really neat way to make it interesting and special. And that is how my sister and brother-in-law's chic tiki party turned out. So a couple of really delicious hot appetizers along with some really simple cold appetizer ideas and just some thrifted decor that was really easy to put together. Thanks so much for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed it and that you got some ideas for your own summer parties this season. Let me know in the comments below which part of this party was your favorite. Was it the decor? Was it the food? Was it the drinks? I'd love to hear. And if you have any summer party recipes or decor tips that you love that you want to share with me and everybody watching, we'd love to hear those in the comments below as well. Thanks again for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor ideas, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!